Hello, welcome back to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic math lesson every week. So, watch regularly and keep in touch with mathematics, especially for students of all the standards from 1st to 10th. So, let me start today's lesson, that is nothing but concurrence of triangle or concurrence in triangle. What is meant by concurrence? Or what are concurrent lines? You have learned before what are concurrent lines. When three or more lines passing through the same point, then the lines are said to be concurrent. And the common point is called point of concurrence. The lines passing through the same point are called concurrent line, and the point through which the line passes is called point of concurrence. Here we will study what are the point of concurrence in a triangle. So look at the first figure. There is a triangle ABC. You can see three segments AD, BE and CF intersecting at a point G. Means these segments are concurrent. What type of segments they are, we will see. See one endpoint of the segment AD, D. See the identical marks. Means BD congruent to DC. Or D is the midpoint of side BC. Which is the other endpoint? The opposite vertex. So how the segment AD is formed? By joining midpoint of a side and opposite vertex. This segment AD is called median of the triangle. What it is? Median of the triangle. So what is median? The line segment joining midpoint of a side and opposite vertex of a triangle is called median of the triangle. How many medians can you draw? From each side you can draw the median by taking the midpoint and opposite vertex. These are the three medians, that is AD, BE and CF. It is found that all the three medians intersect at a point. If you draw any triangle, take the midpoint and join opposite vertex, get the median and also get all the other median, that is all the three medians, you can see that all the three medians pass through the same point. This is true for any triangle. Clear? So what we can say? All the three medians of a triangle are concurrent. It is a fact. It is true for any triangle. And the point of concurrence is called centroid. What it is? Centroid. And is represented by the letter G. So understood the first figure? It is the concurrence in triangle about the medians. All the three medians are concurrent and the point of concurrence is called centroid. Now come to the next figure. Here also you can see three segments from the side and opposite vertex. But what difference here? It is here triangle PQR and PA is a segment drawn from the vertex P to the side QR. QB is the segment drawn to the side QPR from the vertex Q. Like that RC. Three segments. So here, what is this mark represent? It is at 90 degree or it is at perpendicular. The perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. These segments are named as altitudes. What it is? Altitudes. Like that, we can draw three altitudes. What is altitude? What is the definition? The line segment drawn perpendicular to a side from the opposite vertex of a triangle is called altitude of the triangle. How many altitudes? There are three altitudes for a triangle. All the three altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. They intersect at a single point and named O. The point of concurrence of altitudes is called orthocenter. But it is orthocenter. So altitudes are concurrent, here medians are concurrent. Here centroid and point of concurrence here orthocenter, and it is represented by the symbol O. This also you can try. Draw any triangle. Draw the altitudes to all the three sides. It can be seen that they intersect at a central point. Now comes to the next figure. Here also you can see lines passing through the sides and how it is. Here also see perpendicular. The line is perpendicular to the side. Also these identical ones represent. It passes through the midpoint. The line perpendicular and also passes through the midpoint means bisect, divide into two equal parts, each side like that. This line is called perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means what? At 90 degree. Bisector means what? Divide into two equal parts, each side. Perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle intersect at a single point. What does it mean? How many perpendicular bisectors will be there? There are three sides, therefore three perpendicular bisectors. All the three perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are concurrent, and the point of concurrence is called circumcenter. What it is? Circumcenter, and is represented by the letter C. Clear? Point of concurrence is called circumcenter. So that is about point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors. Now comes to the last figure. Here see it is a ray. This ray divides the angle into two equal parts. See the identical marks, angle M. Also this ray divides angle into two equal parts. Also this ray divides angle L into two equal parts. The ray which divides the angle into two equal half is called angle bisector. Bisector means divide into two equal parts. So here I have drawn angle bisectors of all the three angles L, M and N. It is found that they passes through the same point. In other words, the angle bisectors of the three angles of a triangle are concurrent, and the point of concurrence is called incentre. What it is? Incentre, and is represented by the letter I. So, how many points of concurrence you have studied in a triangle? There are four. The first point of concurrence is centroid, that is the point of intersection of medians. Next one, orthocenter, point of intersection of altitudes. Next one is circumcenter, point of intersection of what? Perpendicular bisectors. And the fourth one, but it is incentre, that is the point of intersection of angle bisectors. These are the concurrence in triangles. Clear? This you can try by drawing any triangle and get the result. You can see that all these medians, altitudes and perpendicular bisectors, also angle bisectors are concurrent. Clear? Clear the meaning of concurrent and point of concurrence. What is median? What is orthos? What is this altitude? Perpendicular bisectors and angle bisectors. That is all about today's lesson. I think you understood the lesson. If you like this video, please press like button. Also share and forward as much as possible in order to get in touch with mathematics, especially for students of 1st standard to 10th standard. Thank you for watching this lesson. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you next week. Don't forget. Thank you.